Hi guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a random food blog from Gujarat. So basically we tried a lot of different kinds of food in Gujarat and there were some videos that I couldn't put up in categories, so I clubbed them all and made a single food blog. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Firstly, let's get to the street food that we tried at Lunsikoi Road in Navsari. This day's plan was to actually explore Surat's food and shopping, but we got so late while shopping in Surat that we had to return to Navsari. So instead, we explored the street food that was available at Lunsikoi Road. Firstly, we went to a place called Royal Omelette. It was serving different kinds of egg recipes like gravies and omelettes. The stall was crowded with a lot of customers and it was a quite breezy and windy atmosphere, so the whole area was filled with the aroma of different spices. It was very delightful to watch all those colorful egg gravies and they looked so tempting. We ordered a Haryali egg gravy, which you can see now. So our Haryali egg gravy was ready and the pav really looked so shiny and buttery, and the whole gravy was loaded with a lot of grated cheese. We digged into it right away and the dish was really lip-smacking and delicious. Next up, we wanted to try some street-side Chinese food, so we went to the stall named Chinatown. Here we ordered a plate of veg Manchurian and paneer chili. Watching the preparation of Chinese dishes is always interesting because it is so fiery, smoky, noisy and very colorful. There was a lot of crowd at this stall, so we had to wait for our dishes, and meanwhile we captured the making of these amazing Chinese dishes. weather. Next up, it's about the food that we had in Dakor city. The busy streets of this city were filled with stalls that were serving amazing pakoras and fafadas. The sight of these deep fried fritters and jalebis and puris can make anyone hungry in no time. But out of all these, what we were curious about was the Dakor's Gota Bhaji. In fact, the city of Dakor is very famous for its Gota Bhajis and is so popular that they serve the powder mix for these fritters. We tried a few of these and the pakoras are really yummy. They are basically made from gram flour and fenugreek. These yummy pakoras have a grainy texture and they are such a light and simple snack. On the same day, we headed to Sri Ram Bhojanalaya to have our lunch. We ordered a very plain and simple Gujarati Thali which consisted of a vegetable, 2 dal, chapatis, rice and papad. As I said, all the dishes were simple and nothing fancy about them, but they were really freshly made, hot and yummy. Lastly, we had some Mughlai food like delicious kebabs and gravies at a restaurant named Laziz. All the dishes served at this restaurant were really flavorful, very nicely presented and very delicious. So this was the last food vlog about Gujarat. We hope you loved this vlog. If you did, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. Also like and share our videos and stay tuned for more and more food and travel vlogs. And we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.